Welcome back to the Beginner's Bar. Scott here. It's time to go to the golden age of sail and create a gimlet. So what you will need is your liquor of choice will be gin. I'm using Tanqueray. You do need a lime, simple syrup 2-to-1, and then for your tools you will need your trusty shaker with strainer, your jigger, and a knife. Brand new, first time. Alright, let's get going. Slice this lime in half. I've got the juicer, and I need 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice. So, 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice. The same of simple syrup. 3/4. Actually a little bit more than that, but of simple. I actually prefer a little sweeter cocktail. And now, 1.5 ounces of gin. Gonna go 3 cubes. 3 cubes of ice from here. Marry the cocktail. Son of a bitch! I spilled a little. I pulled a grape. Oh, that's why I'm a beginner. Pulled a grape. Oh well. Give a pop. Looks good. 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know if it blew apart or if it's just a condensation. I think it's condensation. Put this in a Nicanor. And strain her in. And this is a gimlet. Cheers. Just a delicious cocktail. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, comment. What cocktail would you like me to do? All my barware is available and links down below. They are affiliate links, which means if you make a purchase, I receive a bit of the kickback. So thank you for watching. I will see you next time with another cocktail. This has been the Beginner's Bar.